Now we'll go ahead and create this spoiler. For this, we're going to create a CV curve, and we'll start by going to the side view. I will now go into Create, Curves Tools, go to CV Curve, and I'll start tracing the spoiler shape. Once I'm done, click Enter and go to Curves, Close. Select Control Vertex and move this around to clean up your geometry. Once you're happy with the shape you created, go into Object Mode, Modify, Center Pivot, and now go ahead and put it in place. Once there, now we can go into Surfaces, Bevel Plus, go into the Bevel Plus Inputs, here you can play with the width, depth, or extrude depth. Towards the bottom, if you press Outer Style Curve 1, you will see Style options. Go ahead and click there. Select Straight Front Edge. This one should give you slight overhang, making it look more like a toy. On my width, I'll change it to 0.15, depth 0.15 as well, and extrude depth, I'll leave it as 0.25. Click on my object and duplicate it. Select both objects and delete by history. Now go to the side view. I'll move this slightly and I'll grab another CV curve and create this spoiler connector. I'll turn off my image planes so they're not in my way. I'll create a shape that looks like this. I'll go into my curves, close it, clean up your geometry by going into the Control Vertex. Once I'm happy with it, go into your perspective view, center pivot, by going Modify Center Pivot, push it to the side, duplicate it, shift selecting both of these. You're now going into Surfaces and creating a loft. If this happens to you, go into Surfaces, Reverse Direction. By selecting the curves, you can still move this shape around. I'll just push it in, and I'll do the same on the other side. You can even select both curves and still make adjustments if needed. I will now select one of the curves, duplicate it, move it down, and create a second shape below. Go into the object mode once done. Modify, center that pivot one more time. Lastly, duplicate that object. Select both of them. Go to Surfaces and hit Loft. All right, good job.